Hi guys, Dawn here. I'm back! Yay! Alright guys, as I was saying, I'm back. Ball contact is back. We should be seeing some more tutorials from Tom and I and maybe other people if we can get them done in the next few weeks. Hooray! Today I just want to talk to you a little bit about the difference between a windshield wiper and a butterfly. And the difference is that they create different shapes in the air. A windshield wiper is a basic arc. It forms kind of like a rainbow right in front of you when you're doing cradle to palm, palm to cradle, like this. A lot of people learn this at the very beginning and call it a butterfly because it's way easier than the butterfly move is. The windshield wiper tends to be called a butterfly in a lot of circumstances, say when you're doing a chest roll and going into a butterfly and mixing it in with different moves that ends up being a windshield wiper. The butterfly on itself is a move that is kind of different in the fact that it actually leads from the elbow into the wrist and bends here. When we do this motion, instead of just your basic arc, it forms an infinity loop, like this. Done well, it looks quite beautiful. And I would go back and review Michael Motion's In Motion with Michael Motion's work because he does it quite beautifully, landing the arcs in a perfect graphical infinity loop. That's it guys, just a little basic heads up on the difference between a windshield wiper and a butterfly. I hope you guys are well and that your contact juggling is progressing. Have a great day. Bye!